Hello everyone, welcome back to my weekly technical analysis video on the S&P 500 futures ticker symbol ES December 2024 contract as well as the Nasdaq 100 futures ticker symbol NQ December 2024 contract. As usual, let's start with the top down approach, starting with the monthly chart trend. In front of you is a monthly chart for both of these ticker symbols. And let's start with the S&P 500 futures. The trend has been up as we traded above prior month's high and closed last week. The November month had closed last week above prior month's high, which is October month's high. So the trend has been up. However, the December month has just opened up, and so these are the two main reference levels moving forward for the December month. In between these two monthly levels, PMH means prior month's high, which is the November month's high, 6060, and the prior month's low, PML, is 5724.25. In between these two levels, it will be choppy or sideways price action. Above prior month's high, it would be bullish, and below prior month's low, it would be bearish. In a similar fashion, in the Nasdaq 100 futures, these are the two main monthly levels to look out for. As long as in between these two levels it will be choppy or sideways price action, above prior month's high it would be bullish and below prior month's low it would be bearish. This is a weekly chart and the trend has been similar as the monthly chart, where the trend has been up, and now for next week these are the two main weekly levels to keep an eye out for. In between these two weekly levels, it will be choppy or sideways price action. Above prior week's high, it will be bullish. Below prior week's low, it would be bearish. And these are the two main levels for the Nasdaq 100 futures. And this is a daily chart. The trend has been up over here as well, just like the monthly and weekly charts. And these are the two main daily levels to keep an eye out for. Above the prior day's high, it would be bullish. Below prior day's low, it would be bearish. And in between these two daily levels, it will be choppy or sideways price action. I'm trying to repeat the same thing over and over again in terms of the wordings, is because there's always only two main levels. One that defines the bullish trend continuation, and another level that defines the bearish trend continuation. So I always have these two main levels, and which is why you are seeing in each and every chart. Depending on what time frame trader you are, you would follow these levels accordingly. And again, all of this information that I'm providing here is for educational purposes only. So please, if you really want like a professional advice, I would refer you to reach a financial advisor. This is a market profile chart for the S&P 500 futures. For next week, above 60.60, we want to stay long or buy call options targeting this level, and below 60.19, you want to stay short or buy put options targeting these levels, and in between these two levels, it will be choppy or sideways price action, so you could sell some premium. This is the Nasdaq 100 futures market profile chart, and these are the two main market profile levels that you need to pay attention to and trade accordingly. Above this upside line in sand level, which is 21017.5, you want to stay long or buy call options targeting these levels, and below 20805.5, you want to stay short or buy put options targeting these levels, and in between these two levels it will be choppy or also called as sideways price action, so you could sell some premium. To conclude, last week we had made a new all-time high on Friday, the last trading day of November. However, it was a very short week with low volume overall in the entire week. So I would still consider this as a regular trading hours. because the stock exchange was open, although it was traded for a short period of time on Friday last week, which is November 29th. Like if you have been following my videos for quite some time, I have been indicating that if an index all-time high is built in the overnight session, there are very high chances that we would retrace during the regular trading hours, which has happened last week. However, coming to the Nasdaq 100 futures, the all-time high still is built in the overnight session, which is 21,340.5. So keep a lookout for that one. That would be our target in the coming weeks. So without retesting the all-time high, I don't anticipate having like big drawdown on the indices. With that being said, trade safe everyone. Thank you so much for watching all through the end. Have a great week ahead. Bye bye.